In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a cohesive home decor theme. Have a cohesive theme throughout your home can bring a sense of harmony and unity to your space. It creates a visually appealing and well-cluttered environment. Whether you are starting from scratch or look to refresh your current decor, these tips will help you to create a cohesive and styling home. Let's get started. Hi, welcome back to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel where we bring some easy and practical tips for your beautiful home decoring. Tip number 1. Choose a theme. The first step is creating a cohesive home decor theme is selecting a central idea or concept. It could be a specific style, color palette, or even a particular era. Take some time to explore different themes and find one that resonate with your personal style and preferences. For example, you might choose a Scandinavian theme characterized by minimalistic, light color and natural material. Alternatively, you could go for a coastal theme with beachy color, nautical elements, and relaxed vibes. The key is to select a theme that speaks to you and creates the ambience to your desire. Tip number 2. Consistent color palette. Once you have chosen a theme, establish a consistent color palette that runs throughout your home. Select a primary color or a combination of colors that reflect the theme you have chosen. This will help tie different rooms and areas together, create a seamless flow. Let's say you have chosen a bohemian theme. Earlier tone like warm browns, turquoise or deep greens can serve as the base of your color palette. You can then add pops of vibrant color like mustard yellow or turquoise and add visual interest. By choosing this consistent color palette, your home will have a cohesive and unified look. Tip number 3. Repeating elements. Incorporate recurring elements and motifs to reinforce your theme and create a sense of cohesion. It could be a specific pattern, texture, and decorative elements. For instance, if you have a tropical theme, you might incorporate palm leaf pattern, bimbo accents, and rather furniture throughout different areas of your home. Here's an example of repeating element. In this living room, we have incorporated palm leaf pattern in the throw pillows, artwork, or even in the wallpaper of the adjacent dining area. The consistent use of these elements reinforces the tropical theme and ties the space together. Tip number 4. Edit and curate. As you bring your theme to life, remember that less is often more. Edit and curate your decor choice to maintain a clean and cohesive look. Avoid overcrowding the space. Avoid overcrowding the space with too many accessories or conflicting style. Instead, choose a few key pieces that truly represent your theme and create a focal point. Take a look at this example of editing and culturing. In this bedroom, we have chosen a modern farmhouse theme. We have carefully selected a few rustic elements like reclaimed wood, hardboard, and vintage-inspired lighting. By keeping the decor minimal and purposeful, we have achieved a cohesive and inviting space. And there you have it. Tips for creating cohesive home decor theme. By choosing a theme, establish consistent color palette, repeating, repeating elements, and editing and curating your decor choice. You can create a home that feels harmonious, visual, pleasant. We hope you enjoy the video and tips. I hope these tips were very helpful and inspiring. If you enjoy the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Beautiful Home Decor YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Happy decorating.